Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADXS. We will take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis before, but it's been a little bit since the last update I've done. However, had some questions and such come in on it, and rightfully so. The past few days have been pretty brutal. I mean, it's just been selling pressure after selling pressure. So the main question, and because it's very logical, is, hey Clay, from a technical perspective, where are some of these next potential areas of support? So before we get into any of that though, I want to first just talk about the initial area of resistance with any sort of bounce. And that comes right here based at the, we'll call it $7.05 mark. And this just comes from a basic rule in charting that states when levels of support, which you can see was a level of support right here, are broken. And clearly the price broke down below it today. They tend to act as resistance. So red to green, again, this will be the only level of resistance I focus on, but any sort of bounce, 705, right around that area is going to be that initial hurdle that the bulls need to break up above. But as it stands right now, breaking levels of resistance, not really a top priority. Top priority for the chart is just to stabilize and start to go sideways, and that is where supports are important, because there are levels where there are buyers in the past, and if there were buyers in the past, or maybe those would be areas where the price could potentially stabilize. So the next level of support, I don't think the price hit it today. Nope. Down here at $6, and we'll call it 40 cents. This is coming from way back here, and when was that? May of 2016. You can see there's a pretty nasty move, and then finally the buyer stepped in there, and from that point, actually a nice move followed. So $6, 40 cents, next level to keep an eye on from a support perspective, and I do want to go one more past that. And then after $6.40, next overall area of support, down around the $5.35 mark. So those will be the next couple of key technical levels. Definitely want to see 640 hold if it gets tested, because if it doesn't, then yeah, am I saying that's going to drop straight down there within 2 days? I'm not saying that, but according to the chart, there is quite a bit of space between these areas of support here. So in the event the price does head down to right around that 640 range, you certainly, from a bullish perspective, that is, you want to see the price hold strong there. So those are going to be the overall technical levels at this point in time. So we'll see how the rest of this week unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.